JBL Quantum 610 Wireless Gaming Headphones Review. The JBL Quantum 610 Wireless are a high-quality wireless pair of gaming headphones that, through its advanced algorithms, simulates multi-channel audio to create incredibly realistic and cinematic levels of immersion. We give you a review of one of the first gaming headphones to drop in 2022. Standout specs: 3-hour charge time with 40-hour battery life. Wireless and wired compatibility. 90-degree rotational earmuffs. 50mm drivers powered by JBL Quantum Sound Signature. Flip-up boom mic and chat/game sound balance dial. Sensational, cinematic-like sound quality. Design and fit. The headphones are in a sleek and stealthy black color with small orange accents on the wires and inside the earmuffs. They are only available in this black colorway, which personally is fine as I am a big fan of less loud colors. However, if bright and bold colors are your preference, then this may be a problem for you. You are compensated for the lack of color with the very cool and flashy rainbow gradient JBL Quantum lighting LEDs on the outer of the earmuffs. They are again another aspect that gives off a premium aura, with rainbow LEDs seemingly being the in design for gaming accessories at the moment. As for the fit and comfortability, these headphones are equipped with 90-degree spinning earmuffs, meaning they are quite flexible and easy to fit on any ear size or shape. The cushion is just right, with the leather padding not being too firm nor too soft, an almost perfect balance for optimum comfortability. When gaming, you want the headphones to feel like they aren't even there, and with this pair, you almost get that feeling. My only criticism would be that the fit is slightly tighter than preferred, as the earmuffs seem to hug your ears quite snugly. However, once you get used to the feel, it is most definitely not a big problem. Audio quality. My instant thoughts on the audio quality of these gaming headphones were that they were exceptional in conveying most bass-fueled noises and giving a cinematic-like experience with its 3D surround sound feature. For example, in FPS shooters, specifically for me Apex Legends, you could hear when someone was approaching from the right or left, or if bullets were being shot from a specific direction, you could distinguish where they were exactly coming from in relation to your character's position. Bombs and sniper shots were the most impressive sounding effects, in my opinion, again giving testament to the excellent bass quality of these headphones. The sound quality was slightly tinny for the higher pitch sounds, such as SMG bullets, scrolling in menus or general sound effects. However, it was not too noticeable. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.